Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy innovation. A Milan-headquartered power producer, ContourGlobal, announced that the first phase of its U.S. solar project has started commercial operation in Severance, Colorado. Here is what each phase of the project contributes. The 185-megawatt Black Hollow Sun 1 project is now delivering power to Platte River Power Authority, which serves communities north of Denver. A second phase, Black Hollow Sun 2, with a planned output of 139 megawatts, is planned for completion by the end of 2026. And together, the two phases will provide 324 megawatts peak of solar capacity, generating about 608 gigawatt hours annually. And when complete, will be the largest solar installation in northern Colorado. This milestone marks the company's 20th anniversary and highlights its commitment to delivering clean, reliable power to U.S. communities. For more timely updates and regulatory insights, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon. And stay ahead on breakthroughs driving energy resilience.